Hello, it's Lee here at Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm at 3 Crofts Park in Ilfracombe. It's a fantastic 5-bedroom Victorian semi-detached family home situated in a very popular part of town, but with a huge benefit of lots of parking that you'll see in behind me here, and a huge 30-foot long garage as well. Now this has got a delightful sunny rear garden. There are excellent sea views from the front, and this is a perfect family home. So let's go and take a look around now. So here we are, we're inside now. Then we've just come in through the main entrance there, and we come into this entrance lobby, which in turn leads through into this really lovely spacious entrance hallway. And the first thing that you see here is this fantastic original Victorian mosaic tiled floor, which is a great feature of the property. Same with the stairs really, you know, you've got the old turn spindle balustrade there that goes up through, and that continues up through to the upper floors as well. So it's a really lovely feature of these old Victorian houses. Same with the old panelled doors here that lead through into all of these ground floor rooms. So at the rear here we've got the dining room, which in turn leads through into a lovely kitchen breakfast room. I'll show you more of that in a second, but first we're going to go through into this lovely lounge. And you've got the original sort of wooden floorboards here stripped back, which again is a really nice sort of feature. And again, the first thing that you see when you come into this room is this fantastic old original fireplace, which again is a really great feature of the property and lovely to see still in situ. We've also got this nice ornate ceiling here around the top, and of course at the front here we've got this lovely big bay window, and that just sort of looks out onto the front street scene there. So it's a lovely sized room, this, plenty of room for all your furniture, your sofas, your armchairs, all of your bits and bobs, provision for wall hung television there. So that's the more sort of formal of the reception rooms. Now this property is great for sort of everyday family living. Before we go through to the dining space there, I'm just going to go through into this room here, because this is really a good office space. So perfect for those who live and work from home, or if you run a business at all, you know, self-employed, whatever. This is a great area for use for that thing. Equally, it could be a little hobbies room or a games room or somewhere for the kids to sort of hang out and play, but just a really useful extra bit of space. Immediately adjacent there, that's just a toilet in there. Don't need to go into too much detail there, but that is just a toilet. And then as we go through to the rear here, we've got this nice big dining room. So again, good sized room this. And we've just got this sort of feature illuminated bit on the wall there. And then as we go through to the rear here, you've got this really nice kitchen. So this is a great sort of daytime living space almost. You've got this breakfast bar, so, you know, morning coffee, breakfast, lunch, whatever. You know, the kitchen is the heart of the home in so many ways. When people come and visit, you know, everyone tends to congregate in the kitchen. So it's great to have that nice breakfast bar there where everyone can sort of feel part of the family setup. So you'll see there's plenty of units in here. You've got the range style cooker, you've got the extractor canopy over, sinks over in the corner there, with a view out towards the rear garden. The door you see directly ahead of you there, that goes through into the garage. I'll show you that in a second. And then we've got a couple of doors out to the rear here, one at the side, and we've got these double doors here which connect right onto the rear garden, onto the rear patio there. So it's great for you know, outdoor entertaining or having a barbecue, that type of thing. You know, you've got that seamless connection there. I'll show you more of the outside shortly. Just before we go outside, we'll just go through into the garage here. So as I say, the garage interconnects with the main house. Now this garage is huge. It's something that the current owners have added to the property in their time here, and it's a really massive space. And you don't get many of these style of houses with a garage like this. So there's the door through into the kitchen. We've got another door through out into the rear garden, and there is plumbing for washing machine in here, look. And up the front here, we've got an electrically operated door. So you could put at least a couple of cars in here quite comfortably, depending on the size of them. There's sort of storage up above as well. There's light and power in here. This could be a workshop. It could be all manner of different things, but having a garage, as I say, on this style of property is definitely a good, unusual feature. So I'll just give you the aspect from this side. So there we are, that is the ground floor at 3 Crofts Park. We'll now head on upstairs to the upper floors. So we're just coming up to the first floor here, and one of the real features here is this lovely great big landing. So the minute you get up here, you've got this immediate feeling of space still throughout the house. So stairs go up to the second floor there. We've got 3 bedrooms on this floor. There's 5 in total in the house, so 2 at the rear there. We've got the family bathroom in the middle there, and then at the front here we've got the main bedroom, the master bedroom. Now this is the biggest bedroom of the lot. And all 5 of the bedrooms in this house are really good sizes. Obviously this one being the main bedroom, this is the largest. Plenty of room for all of your furniture in here, wardrobes, chests of drawers, big double bed there. And then you've got this lovely big bay window at the front, and your eye's immediately drawn there, because as you come through to the bay window here, it is a bit grey and murky today, sadly, but you do get great views down over towards the Bristol Channel and the distant Welsh coastline. Definitely not seeing it at its best today, but when you do come for your physical viewing, I'm sure the view will be looking very good. So plenty of space in here, as I say, really nice sized bedroom. So that's the first of the 5. Just come back out here, so we've got 2 at the rear. So this would be, I guess, bedroom 2 in here. So again, you know, it's a children's bedroom, as you can see here, but plenty of space. All the stuff that you know, children have, toys, games, computers, all of those bits and bobs all fits very nicely. And then we've got the view out the back of here. Now there is a door that does interconnect through into the bedroom next door. I guess that's been used for some purpose in the past. But it is a separate bedroom completely here. It's an L-shaped room, this one. So this is the smallest of the lot, but it could be a good size single room or a cot room as it is currently. Again, you'll see that we're at the rear, and there's plenty of space in here again just for all the odds and ends that you need. Nice high ceilings as well throughout this house, typical of the Victorian era. And then also on this floor we've got the main family bathroom. So this is a big bathroom. You've got the fitted furniture there with the toilet and the hand basin, cupboards underneath. And then down the far end there we've got a really big jacuzzi style bath. So one of these ones that blows bubbles at you there, look. And we've got the shower just up above that, and the shower curtain going around there. Nice tiling to the walls. So again, it's all goes in here very well. So there we are, that is the first floor. We'll now head on upstairs to the top floor and the other 2 bedrooms. So I'm just climbing the final few stairs now up to the top floor. So up on this floor we've got 2 further bedrooms, one at the front there and then another one at the rear there. Also on this floor there's a very handy separate toilet which is just in here. So the toilet goes in around here, look. So very handy for those using this floor. And then the door you see ahead of me there, that opens into a huge eaves sort of loft storage area. It's massive as well, so really good for storage. Very easy access into there, so for all the odds and ends that you still need but don't want to use day to day. So this is the bedroom at the rear. All of the bedrooms, as I said, downstairs are really good sizes, and these are no exception up here. These are 2 double-sized rooms. You'll see there's plenty of space in here. Perfect for teenage kids, look. You can fit everything they need in here. And this one looks out the back. It's quite a pleasant open outlook at the rear here, up towards just the hillside and across to some of the tree-lined valley there. So that's this one. And then we've got one final bedroom across at the front here. Again, another really good sized double room. Again, plenty of space for all of the bits and bobs. A little bit of character up here as well with the way that the ceilings slope a bit. And then of course, because we're back at the front of the property again, we've got those really good views out towards the sea down over there and across on a clearer day to the Welsh coastline. So there we are, that concludes our internal tour of 3 Crofts Park. We'll now go and have a look outside. Here we are then, we're out at the front of the property now, and it's a lovely looking house this, very typical of the Victorian era, lots of period features there, and one of the more modern features of course is this huge garage attached to the side there. Now something else which is a real rarity for this style of house is this massive brick paved car parking area here. You'll see that you can comfortably get sort of 4 or 5 cars in here and still have space to turn and get in and out quite conveniently. So it's a real rarity to have a house of this style with a great big garage like this. So the garage could be for parking, of course, it could be a workshop, it could just be storage, but it's just a great facility here. So just panning around to give you an idea of the size of this car parking area. As I say, it really is quite unusual. So there we are, that's the front area of the property. We'll now head around to the rear garden. So final part of the tour now, we're out at the rear of the property, and we've got this lovely patio area stretching right across the rear of the house here. So this is a good space for sort of alfresco dining, barbecues, that type of thing. Faces the right way for the sun here. You'll get the sun in here really nicely all day. And you'll notice that the garden is really quite private. It's all enclosed here, so it's ideal for younger children, as you can see by the various toys in here. And also ideal for animals, you know, pets. You've got the dog, it's all enclosed, so the dog's fairly safe in here. And it's as level as you'll get in Ilfracombe. In fact, it is pretty much level all round. So you've got a couple of steps up from the patio that come up onto this nice lawned garden area here. So if you've got younger children, you know, they can kick a football around, they can do whatever it is they want to do, run around and be pretty safe here. So that's the rear of the house. You'll see the quite sizable extension there where the garage was put on. There was already an extension of sorts here with the rear kitchen extension, but the garage is a more recent addition and something that the current owners have actually added in their time, as I said a second ago. Again, just looking at the back here, now the property has just been re-roofed, I mean literally just re-roofed. Really nice slate on there as well. And again, obviously there was some work done to the fascias and gutters and things at the same time. So that's a really good job that's been done. So this is a really nice garden. As I say, plenty of the daytime sunlight and a great space for children and animals and other leisure pursuits. So there we are, that's 3 Crofts Park in Ilfracombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this really is a fantastic family home with really great facilities and features. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.